healthy weight loss recipes, host in the kitchen with fresh ingredients on the counter. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Shafat Foodie Recipe. Today, we're diving into 3 simple and healthy recipes that will help you lose weight without sacrificing flavor. These meals are packed with nutrients, low in calories, and super easy to make. Let's get started. Recipe 1. High-protein breakfast. Bowl ingredients: Greek yogurt, berries, nuts, and honey. First up, a high-protein breakfast bowl that's perfect for starting your day right. You'll need 1 cup of Greek yogurt, high in protein and probiotics, a handful of mixed berries, loaded with antioxidants, 1 tablespoon of honey for natural sweetness, and a sprinkle of nuts or seeds for crunch and healthy fats. Assembles the bowl. Just layer your ingredients, drizzle some honey, and enjoy. This bowl is under 300 calories and will keep you full until lunch. Recipe 2. Zucchini noodles with avocado. Pesto spiralized zucchini and avocado. Next, let's make a zucchini noodles with avocado pesto dish. It's low-carb, creamy, and delicious. Here's what you'll need: 2 zucchinis spiralized into noodles, 1 ripe avocado, a handful of fresh basil, 1 clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Blends the pesto in a food processor and tosses it with zucchini noodles. Blend all the pesto ingredients until smooth, toss with your zucchini noodles, and you've got a meal that's under 250 calories and packed with healthy fats. Recipe 3. Grilled chicken and veggie skewers. Chicken and colorful veggies on skewers. Finally, let's make grilled chicken and veggie skewers for dinner. You'll need 1 chicken breast, cut into cubes, bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and your favorite herbs and spices. Assembles skewers and grills them on a pan or grill. Grill these skewers for about 10 minutes, and you've got a protein-packed, low-calorie dinner that's under 350 calories. Perfect for weight loss with all 3 dishes on the table. And there you have it. 3 healthy, delicious, and easy recipes to help you lose weight without feeling hungry or deprived. Remember, consistency is key, and these meals are here to make your journey enjoyable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. See you in the next video. This script is concise, visually engaging, and provides value to viewers looking for healthy weight loss recipes. You can customize it further to match your style.